Today I'm going to show you how to make a wet mount slide of a little bit of onion so we can look at a plant cell in more detail. Red onion contains a substance that's called anthracite, which gives the red onion this kind of purplish red pigment. You can also find anthracite in other types of produce such as eggplant, red grapes, and blueberries to even give it a blue color. They have a lot of antioxidants, and that pigment helps us be able to see inside a plant cell. In order to prepare the slide, I take my small piece of red onion. Then I pull a little bit up on the corner. And I pull at just the purplish part of the onion, just some membrane. It's going to be very thin like a tissue. Here's a little bit of the red onion that I peeled off. It's very thin like a tissue membrane, and I'm going to place it on the slide into one very thin layer. Then I'm going to take my distilled water and add 2 drops to it. And then I'll place my slide here at a 45-degree angle. And now my slide is ready to be placed under the microscope. Hopefully when you look at the plant cell, you'll be able to distinguish some of the organelles or parts of the cell and how they function. The second part of this lab is you need to flood the onion with salt water to see how certain organelles react to the salt water and how certain organelles do not react. There are 2 ways that you can go about this. If you finished up your lab with the distilled water and you have time, you can simply take the salt water and you add it right to the edge of the cover slip. And then you can draw it through by holding a paper towel on the opposite side and suck that water in. And now you have salt water covering up the onion. The second way that you can go about this is to actually remove the slide cover slip and directly add the salt water on top of your onion membrane sample, and then replace the cover slip again. Under the microscope, hopefully you see some changes to how the organelles react to the water. To clean up, simply remove your cover slip and remove the small piece of red onion and then place it into the trash. Spray your cover slip and slide with a little bit of disinfectant and get a piece of filter paper to wipe them off. Put your slide and your cover slip back into your kit.